Here we are in the 90 Saleen Coupe. This is one of 8 coupes built in 1990. This very special one is number 235. What makes this one so special is it was special ordered. So it was ordered with an auto sport roll cage, a 3-core radiator like the SCs would have had, an oil cooler, which we believe is the only one to ever get an oil cooler. It was also ordered with Koni Shocks instead of the usual stock shocks. This one also got a rear seat delete, so we have no rear seat in this, and we believe this is also the first one to ever get a fiberglass hood, which you can see in the gallery. Right now we're about to take this out for a little test drive. We'll run it through the paces a little bit so you guys can see what it'll do.